Hey, I'm out here in nature, right? You know what I'm saying? My family pulled up on me. Check them out, you see them? They pulled up on me. I know y'all hear 'em. I know y'all hear 'em. Nigga, family pulled up on me, though. Like, what's up? We out here. You know what I'm saying? That shit amazing. That shit is a fucking amazing. I'm out here chilling, y'all. Vibing in nature. I just wanted to put y'all on game about family. That still posted up. I know y'all hear him talking. Know y'all hear him talking, man. They letting y'all know what the fuck is up. They letting y'all know what it is. You know what I'm saying? I'm out